I'm seeing something on TRVL. I know some people tune in just for TRVL, so I usually do it at the beginning, but obviously I haven't. Do it at the end. It's not a problem. So I'm kind of seeing I'm seeing a nice consolidation here actually. It's looking quite nice. I don't know if you've got a little V shape here. I think if this was bearish, we should have gone down by now. Yeah. Like it's been too long going sideways. If it was bearish, we should have gone down. Like if this was a fake pump, if these were fake pumps, like I think we should have gone down by now. Kind of like here, you see this is a fake pump, and then it's going down. You see that? And in the past, we had like some fake pumps, fake pump, and then it's going down. And here you have the same thing, a little fake pump and then down, and fake pump and down. Whereas now you can clearly see that we're not getting the down movement as before. If it was a fake pump, if this was a fake pump, then why aren't we going down? Yeah, so I see a little bit of a change compared to this price action. And obviously I've said before that we're in bullish market structure, and it looks like no one's selling now. It looks like we're getting less and less selling, which is quite interesting. It's hard to see, but I also see a little bit of a diamond pattern here. It's really hard to see, but just from a distance I can see a little bit of a diamond pattern here, and I don't know if that's going to play out. Usually with a diamond pattern, if it comes to the bottom, it goes up like that, but I don't know. I mean, it's very speculative what I'm seeing in the price action here, but I'm seeing a little bit of kind of like consolidation, and if this is a little bit of a V-shaped recovery, we've come back down to, I've got to change it, use extension. Let me just change it. Come back, look, we've come perfectly to the 50 fib. Look at that, 50 fib. So the price is consolidating here. It's come back to the 50 fib. It's holding, hasn't managed to get to the golden pocket, which actually corresponds with this high volume node. So I think this is quite bullish. It looks quite bullish to me. It looks like we're getting a little bit of accumulation here right now at these prices. And I think the longer this kind of lingers here and kind of does its own thing, I think the more bullish this becomes. Personally, I think then we'll be looking for another move up. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. I haven't looked at updated the volume. I haven't really focused on it, but let me just check the volume as well. I'm using the 12-hour time frame, so I'm just avoiding. No, I'm not, because it's not loading. So I'll just use the daily time frame, so that will ignore today's volume. It will ignore the last day's volume, i.e. today. Okay, so that's quite interesting. Look, you can see that the value area low has actually gone up a bit. See that? It moved up a little bit. Value area high has moved up a little bit as well. So we're getting a little bit of shift in the volume profile on this higher time frame. I don't think it makes any much difference. It's always good if the value area low comes up a little bit, you know, that's always good. And obviously we've got this high volume node here, which is at the moment holding a support. So I think this is quite good. I think the price action is quite good here. It's just my thoughts. So if you're interested in a TRVL update, then this is it. Hopefully we're just going to go sideways now all the way up to my time pivot sometime in November, like the third week or second or third week of November. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping we don't go down, and if we do go down, I hope we go down on time, so that we can come back up. But I mean, obviously I think I've been reading that Israel is going to attack Iran again. I hope that doesn't shake people out. That could always shake people out. So, you know, we have to see what happens with that. But I don't think anyone should be panic selling because we are in bullish market structure. We have made a higher high and a higher low and a higher high, and we're holding above this high volume node. It looks quite bullish to me. If I was to just do a little volume profile on the local time frame, from this pivot low that we've put in here, just from this pivot low here, we're way above the value area. You see that? Look, the price came all the way down, found support on the value area here. So, you know, that is support at the moment. If we do go down, you kind of want to hold support and come right back up. That's what you want. So if we do end up kind of losing the high volume node, you kind of want us to hold the higher low here, not make a lower low, and that would be bullish, and then also just to get right back up. So there's a lot of interest in buying. You want to see interest in buying, and you can only really see that if the price comes down for it to be brought back up. That's what we want to see. So look out for that. And like I said before, it's not a bad sign that TRVL BTC is kind of consolidating and not going up, kind of just lingering here, because we've had that in the past where it was doing the same thing. It was just kind of underneath the value area low until eventually the value area shifted, and that was when Bitcoin was pumping. That's when TRVL started to kind of increase in volume on this chart. So I'm quite bullish on this, and as you can see, I'm going around and telling people about Dtravel with my Dtravel app at Zebra Live, talking to different kinds of people. So I think we should all do that. And let's make this really bullish. All right, that's my TRVL update. Thanks Altcoin Dreaming and Zach for joining.